How to order from DHgate. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can order from DHgate. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your DHgate app. Make sure you're logged in into your account, and after you've then done that, what you can then do is, let me just cross that, you can then search for the product that you'd wish to buy or order. So let's search for a product right here, and let's say that I want this shoes. So I'll just select those shoes, and all I have to now do is tap on add to cart. If I simply want to add it to cart first, you can directly tap on buy now as well. So after you add it to your cart, select the shoe that you like, then tap on continue, and that's been added to my cart. Now you can keep on doing this and you can start adding stuff to your cart. Let's say that I want this as well. So let me just go back. Let me choose the product, add it to cart as well. After doing that, now I can head back to my cart. So let's go back, and there's cart right here. Tap on that. And now what I can do is, let me just go through all that. Now I can tap on this checkout option to finally order from DHgate. Tap on checkout. Then all you have to do is fill in your contact information, and after you save your address, you will then need to go through a payment method. Choose your payment method and simply pay for the product, and then you will have ordered from DHgate, and it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.